Okay, well, I said I'd try to get some video today, but it's not as bad today as it was, but it's not done raining yet either. Yesterday, you couldn't even see but the very top half of the bus terminal there, where people sit to wait on the bus. But it's still pretty flooded. The whole park is flooded. You got the road still blocked off. Parking lot over here for all these places just redid everything in that little plaza. But I said I would try to get some video today. It's just everywhere. It's just water everywhere. I can't believe 2 years in a row it's done this. Hasn't done this since 1980 something. I think it was 1982 was the last time it flooded up until last year. I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching.